I am Kuldeep Kumar Gupta, working as an assistant professor and head of the Department of Applied Science in Mathematics. Today we will discuss on the topic matrices and determinants. It is a very most important and powerful tool in various fields of science and technology. Today we will discuss about the definition of matrix, types of matrix, operation on the matrix, and different problem discussed on the topic matrices. Also, we will also discuss the main difference between a determinant and a matrix. So let us start. What is the definition? It is the well-defined collection of the elements arranged in a well-mannered order. And the arrangement of the elements settled in a well-arranged order is called a matrix. It may be 2 lines horizontally, 3 lines vertically, 3 lines horizontally, 2 lines vertically, 1 line horizontally, 3 lines vertically. It may be of n type. Horizontal lines are known as rows. If we move from left to right, that is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one line is this, one line is this line. If we move from left to right, is called rows. This is row 1, this is row 2. And if we move from top to bottom, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, is called a column. It may be the order of a matrix is m by n, where m is known as number of rows and n is known as number of columns. It may be, suppose this matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. That is m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 9. The type of matrices, there are many types of matrices, but we will discuss about some important topics. That is a row matrix. A row matrix is defined as in which the elements are arranged in a single row. That is 1, 0, 7. 1 row and 3 columns. The order of this matrix is 1 by 3. Secondly, column matrix, in which a column is given 7, 8, 3. Row 3 है 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 1 is the order of the matrix. Similarly, square matrix. Square matrix in mathematics is defined as all sides are equal, is known as square. But in the language of matrix, if the number of rows and number of columns are equal, let us see an example. Matrix A is given here 2 rows and 2 columns. The order will be 2 by 2. Order will be 2 by 2 and 1, 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 3, 4, minus 2. 3 rows and 3 columns, the order is 3 by 2. So that is called matrix A and B are of square type matrices. Next is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is a matrix of a square type matrix. The diagonal matrix होता है वो square type matrix होता है. Square type means जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया, rows and number of columns are equal and in which diagonal elements are given and the remaining elements are zeros. Let us see an example. Matrix A is given 1 0 0 0 minus 5 0 0 0 3. Only diagonal element is given and the remaining are 0. That is called a diagonal matrix. And on the other hand, identity matrix is also a square matrix. But the main difference between a diagonal and identity matrix is diagonal matrix में भी diagonal elements given है, identity matrix में भी diagonal elements given है, but diagonal elements में कुछ भी number of elements हो सकते हैं, लेकिन identity matrix में diagonal elements are 1. 1 यहाँ 1 नहीं है, यह 1 है, माइनस का 5 है, this is the main difference. Upper triangular and lower triangular. Upper triangular में क्या है कि जो the number of elements present on the diagonal and the remaining are zeros. अब ये diagonal है 1 5 minus 1, इसके ऊपर के elements given है. The elements given below the diagonal are 0. So such type of matrix is called upper triangular matrix. And in lower triangular matrices, the matrix, the elements below the diagonal are given are called lower triangular matrices.